Hi YouTube family, this is Tanya Quinn here coming at you with a quick video. I have some locks that I created and I'm making this video just to show you all how they came out. If you have any questions or concerns or you need me to make a video, any type of video you want, just let me know and I'll see what I can do, because as you all know, I am extremely busy. You know, I make these locks by hand. This is one. I make them by hand and they take a lot of time. Hence, my hair is not done. My nails are not done. Because when I'm working for you all, I can't have none of that stuff. It's like a swap shop, sweatshop. So here's some. These are 24 inches. This is a close-up. And these took me around about 3 weeks to make. These are the locks. I hope you guys can, you know, it's a clear video. But here's the locks that I made. This customer requested that they wanted the poofy ends. Usually there's people that contact me and they like their ends to be like this. So, but this customer requested the poofy ends. So here they go. This is the natural color. There's no color on these locks. These locks are done with 100% human hair. They can be dyed. They can be bleached. I use this crochet needle because a lot of people have been emailing me what crochet needle do I use. Anyway, the 12 millimeter. You see how thin it is? Let me see. You can see. It's a very thin needle. Very fine. This is what creates the magic. This is where the magic happens. Right there. You see that little hook? That's where the magic happens. A lot of people say they've been using crochet needles, doesn't work. Listen, it all has to do with the right needle. Now, everyone always asks me, show me your technique, or what's your technique. The thing is, crocheting is crocheting. You have to find your rhythm. Once you find your rhythm, it's non-stop. It's non-stop. When you begin, it's going to be hard. You're going to have, your fingers are going to hurt. They're going to bleed. You have to find, first of all, the right needle that best suits you. Because the way I do my locks may not be a comfortable way for you. So I grab it between my fingers, the lock, right? I take this and I just go in and out. In and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. But now, like you see, I'm using 3 fingers now. Some people just use 4. Some people just use these 2. I end up using this. These 2 fingers. Thumb and middle finger. You see how it's going? Look how quick. Look how quick. Because this is the technique that works for me. This is the needle that works. I've had over 20 needles. All sizes. All sizes, because I had to find the rhythm for me. So you just keep, look, you see, now I'm at the ring finger. It's like you don't know. I don't know. When people ask me, I can't give you a straight answer, because I start here, then I go here. You see? Look at how tight. Look at how tight. Because I have a rhythm. Now, for someone that's beginning to crochet locks, it's going to take you, to do one lock, it might take you a whole day. To do one lock for me, at this length, it's around 20 minutes or less, you know. put my headphones, I sit in my little chair, and I keep crocheting. That's just my technique. You know, I'm telling you what I do. If it works for you, great. If it doesn't, then you have to find the crochet needle that best suits your rhythm, your fingers, your motion. Once you find it, you in there, okay? So, this is just a spare the moment quick video. I'm posting it up. Here's the locks that I created. If I'm still updating, fixing my website. If you want to order, you can contact me directly. My phone number is 954-415-0198. Listen, this is a gift. This, what I do, is a gift from God. God has blessed me with this gift. I did not learn it from no one. I did not YouTube it from no one. What's for you is for you. And this right here, this talent is for me. Okay? It may be for you too, but in your way. This one is for me. And I thank God every single day. Every single day. Look at how beautiful and perfect these locks are. These are not getting shipped out. Actually, I'm going to be installing these on a customer. When I do install them, I will post a video. I'm going to try to post a video. See, I'm not good with YouTube videos, as you all can see my videos. But I'm going to try my best. It's only me in a shop. It's a private salon. So I'm going to try my best and try to record while I'm crocheting them in my customers here. Alright, so let me know if you have any questions or concerns. You can text me. If I don't answer the phone, that is because I'm with a customer. I don't like answering my calls or be on the phone when I'm working with a client. That is their time. They paid for that time. But I will contact you at my earliest convenience when I am done with my clients. If not, you can send me a text message and I'll respond as soon as I can. I promise. Okay? So if you want to place orders, if you want me to ship out locks for you, just contact me and we can make this happen. Talk to you guys soon. God bless.